Ay, mi gente, bienvenido a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. What's going on? Today's video we are doing the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette swatches. So just to let you guys know, I'm breaking them into 3 different parts because I was only able to get 3. My Ulta only had 3 of them. Just not even gonna get into that. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some swatches. So individually, I will show you guys the swatches for each palette that I'm going to be working on my eyes with. So, I'm talking a little fast. But I hope you guys definitely enjoy the looks that I will be creating. So this is part 1 to a 3-part series today. So, hope you guys definitely stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, give a like to the video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell if you want to know when I post videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I have 3 different palettes with me. I have Ring the Alarm, which honestly, to just get into just how this looks, I feel like this is such a beautiful packaging. You know, depending on like what palette it is, other than it has the name on here, just by the flakes that are on it, you know which type of palette it's going to be. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Ring the Alarm palette, and let's open it up. Just gonna get some water. Alright, so in the back of the palette, it actually has a picture of Miss Jaclyn Hill herself, and it has a little note. It says, I am so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection. Honestly, she's so freaking gorgeous. I'm so freaking jealous. But this is the Ring the Alarm palette. So I'm going to actually show you guys the swatches right down below. I'm gonna go ahead and work with this palette. I haven't decided what colors I'm gonna use yet for my eyes. There's actually 5 different matte shades. It looks like a satin, and then 4 different shimmer shades. Honestly, this palette is beautiful, but I kind of wanted the other one. It was Armed and Gorgeous. I was definitely looking forward to getting Armed and Gorgeous, and they didn't have it. My Ulta store actually didn't receive the shipment for that one, so she was like, you can place an order on it, and I was like, you know, sweetie, I don't want to do that. I'm very impatient. Like, that is one thing. When I have makeup coming through in the mail, I'm like, when is it getting here? Just that impatient. So I definitely wanted to just go ahead and apply some concealer over my lids because I want you guys to see how beautiful this palette is. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, and I'm using the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. And I'm actually like getting close to the bottom of it, so I need to make a trip to like one of these, either Ulta, no, definitely Ulta. I'm not sure, but I like shopping at Ulta more. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild mattifying powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my lids with the mattifying powder. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to take the color Rush. We're gonna start with the color Rush. It's this beautiful kind of like a taupey orange. Well, no, it's kind of like a taupey color. Alright, so far we have minimal fallout, which is my absolute favorite thing about a palette. The less fallout, the better. Got this really cool idea from Rihanna's makeup artist. I was watching a video of hers, and she actually said in order to like keep Rihanna's makeup in place, what she does is she like dabs the eyeshadow on the actual like eyes, and then she kind of just moves it all around. I thought that was really dope. So far it blends incredibly amazing. I love how this looks, and this is not even like the finished look. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Mugshot, which is this like pretty little, like a brown color. And it's almost just, it's brown, but it's like this beautiful brown. I'm done. And we're just gonna push it in the crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade Boom, and I'm gonna use that color for my lid. And you know what? I'm gonna use Boom, but I'm gonna go in with my finger. Oh my god, this is so buttery and creamy. This is the swatch. Oh, I love this color. God, this is creamy. I'm kind of glad I got this palette because this is pretty. I love this palette. And I'm just starting, dude. Oh my god. When I tell you this is so buttery, I want you to go to the refrigerator, take out the butter, and shove your finger in there and tell me how that feels. That's how this palette feels. Super buttery, super creamy. The pigment is off the chain. It is off the chain. Like, honestly, I don't even need to go in with my brush, but I'm going to. Kind of buff. And make sure that the lids don't have that product. And now I'm gonna go in with like a little flat brush. I'm just gonna push the product on my lids even more. And I think I'm just gonna go very lightly with the liner. Alright, so if you guys noticed, I went very lightly on the liner. I don't want to apply like a wing. I don't want to do all that. Like, I'm looking for just like a coat so that when I put my lashes, it'll look flawless. So we're gonna go in. All right, so I've applied my liner. I'm gonna go in with these House of Lashes that I got inside of my BoxyCharm this month. These are the featherettes, and they're super beautiful. All right, y'all, so this actually concludes this look. So just to let you guys know, I went ahead and used the colors in this palette, which is the Ring the Alarm palette. All in all, I absolutely love this one, and this is gonna be, I think, one of my favorite ones. So that concludes this tutorial on this look. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2, including one of the other palettes, but I ain't gonna tell you which one it's gonna be. You're just gonna have to stay tuned, boo. So stay tuned for more looks on the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in my next video. Bye!